Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast at Hyatt Regency, Long Beach in Los Angeles. Used a Hyatt free night certificate to book this room before a cruise. Coming into the bathroom to the right when entering, large mirror area, a sink with amenities, towels, tissues, soap, just one sink. This is a walk-in shower with a sliding curtain, very spacious, and lots of room between the toilet. Nothing special with the toilet. Some art on the wall. Walking into the room, you'll see it's quite spacious. High ceiling, 2 double beds. Walking in, you can see the nightstand in the middle. Lots of outlets set up for you. Mandy's water bottle. Lots of pillows. Nice to have lots of places to charge devices. Have a closet. Opens to a room safe. It's also open at the top. Area for luggage. Extra bedding and a mirror at the bottom. Iron and ironing board and several hangers. Extra toilet paper. A large television. And this says it is a cooler, not a refrigerator. Large tabletop space, possibly for a laptop. We have a Keurig machine and some included cups with creamers and other supplies. Moving around, see art on the wall next to a side chair and side desk area. Some of the Los Angeles themed art. And a view outside. It is nighttime. You can see a little bit here. Looks like a gazebo just outside. And much more. Looks like the harbor area where the cruise is going to go out of in the morning. So very spacious here in the double room on a high floor. You can see the beds are also quite large. And headboard be an 8-day Carnival cruise, complimentary cruise thanks to casino offer and status matching. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Hyatt Regency, Long Beach in Los Angeles.